Hi guys, today I'm at Chef Burak and today I'm going to be eating the food. So it's starting off with rice. It's got a lot of pepper and salt. I'll give that 8.5. The lamb. Okay, that's a 10. That's a 10. Just look at the meat here. Just look at that meat. Just look at that drink. Look at that. I just finished my lamb. I'm going to try a bit of chicken. I'll say that's an 8. Meat is good as well. The curry underwear, good. Trying it on. Very good. It would have been a 10 with something on it, but it does have sesame seeds in it. But I'll say this 5.9. Trying a chip. Alright, the chip's too salty. That's a 4. And finally, the drink. Okay, that drink's a 1 trillion out of 10.